Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your Madame Limited Edition, speaking from Scotland. Yeah, come with me, viewer. Today my friend has just come. We are taking her dog for a walk. So we are going to see where can we have, the dog is very excited. Yeah. The dog is excited. So today it's not in the house. Today it is outside. Okay. Hello. Okay, let me take this shortcut. Okay, Odin. No. Oh, no. It doesn't like YouTube.
Just don't talk to him.
Ooh, it doesn't like YouTube.
No, you never owned a dog?
No,
Here we
I
are.
just deal with stray dogs.
Oh,
Okay.
different. Stray dogs are
Yeah, stray dogs is
very
different.
nice because they...
Okay, viewer. Anastasia, just say
Hello,
hello.
yeah.
Say hello to
Hello,
my viewers. This
Lovely
is
people. Okay, which way we
this is
going?
Chris's sister, viewers, and her dog, Odin.
Excited for walk.
Odin, you're excited for?
Let's go where we go. Okay, where's the...
You said we are going to the river.
Yes, I just looking
Yeah.
want to go to park so he don't run away.
You think down there near the river
No,
it's fully
station.
packed?
No,
Near
we parked...
the swimming pool.
no, really.
Yeah.
Let's find a way here. Yeah, we walk a bit and then we come back to the car.
Oh.
Oh, Hannah, we make you tired, then you have a good sleep, don't
How old is Odin?
He'll be 2 years in July. But
Oh, 2 years.
you have to wait when the dog 2.5.
Oh, he's getting stronger now. He's getting
I think
strong.
he's too strong and he used to be in the cage, so
Yeah.
now he wants to be... See, where are they getting me?
Okay, new places, new people.
Places, the people. I want to get somewhere. You better hurry up. Ay, better hurry up. See where I am.
Viewer, this is the railway station there, you can see.
Here, car one, like Hannah likes.
Oh, it looks beautiful today.
It
It looks beautiful.
It's better park that way. Never mind.
Hello, now we are going to go to along the river today. You see River Thazo. Okay. Okay, Odin. Hello. Yeah. This is this place is near the River Thazo. So I'm taking you there. You can see the river there. You can see the river there. Can you see the river? Yeah, we are going there.
He wants to smell the dog.
It's a strong dog.
Well, yeah, but he's limping because he's crazy.
Oh,
He likes to run around the ball, very fast. And he's still a puppy. He can't do too much.
Oh, he's just too excited. Hello.
And he wants to run and run constantly, and he's
Yeah.
like not ready yet for this. He's too young.
Oh, look, the leg is limping. Yeah.
Yeah. That doesn't stop. I have to be waiting for that. Is she crazy?
Odin, you know your leg is bad.
He cares for this. It was bad. He shouldn't. Oh, then. There he is. We don't stop. Well, come here.
Somebody is living lavish here in Thurso
Yeah.
with a nice compound.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful, beautiful house. Overlooking the river.
Come here.
Okay, Odin, unless you know how to swim. Ah, I can see now. All dogs, they eat grass. Yeah, they know how to treat themselves.
No, when they have problem with Tommy.
Yeah,
Come.
I've seen.
Go.
Okay, viewer, this is River Thurso. You see, it connects with the ocean there, and that is the bridge there. So Anastasia lives across the river there.
Lots of dog shit.
Now,
I don't have dog even.
yeah. And I didn't even remember to give you. No, he can't be.
I left him
I don't
inside.
think he'll poo again.
Well, he done it.
He done a big one.
Yeah. He might be small one, so just threw in the river.
I want to
Usually I
capture
have,
that.
but you know, it's like when I'm
Yeah.
with you, I think I'm with you. You know, I don't remember the dog. It's not my routine. And then here it's okay. No many people.
Yes.
Clean him the river.
Wow. Look at the river. And there's one connecting there. There are so many streams.
Yeah,
You see that one joins.
nice. Well, another size is even better. I don't know why we choose that one. That's okay. It's kind of far. Need I think 1 hour to just reach the bridge.
There's another bridge there.
It's a steel one, yeah. It's nicer now. The winter looks horrible here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice now. Summer. Everything.
Diana. Hello. Can you see how the river is extended? Look. Look where we've come from. That's us. Oh.
Oh, river is fast today.
Hey, can you hear the river? Can you hear the river flowing? Oh, nature. This is nature. This is nature. We are going very far today. Come with me, guys. Yeah. It's a long time since I took a long walk.
Ah, that's good. Keep asleep.
We are going to wash the dog.
Well,
The
you
feet.
walk and stuff.
Is there a place where we can access the river?
Another side.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, this one.
It's going down. Look.
Hi, Odin.
Oh, Odin.
Don't
Odin,
boy.
I don't want you
He
to.
got socks.
I don't want you to come running after me.
He got socks. He will hug Hannah very soon.
I don't want to hug you, Odin.
I was like,
I don't want to hug
love.
you. Look, their leg.
Yeah, you
Huh?
hug
No
Hannah.
hugging. No hugging.
No hugging.
Yeah. Oh, viewer, you can see how many trees. There are many trees. Oh my Jesus. What is this for?
Yeah, that's as you can see here, the only thing is unstable right now.
Ah, a viewer, look, all these are all trees. Consider how big they are. Oh. Oh. Look at the waters. Look at the waters. Too much water in Scotland. Look at the waters. Oh, this water is part of the river. It's joining the river down there. You can see connecting the river there. Oh.
That's what he does. That's why he gets hurt. Wait. That's a papa. That's what he wants. Yeah, next time we can drive there and go to the cemetery.
Oh, to do what?
From here it's too far. You don't want to see the old cemetery?
No.
Scared of it?
No, for what? I'm not making a movie, a horror movie.
Because he likes the cemetery. I like.
Horror movies.
No, I like to see, like.
You like to see graves?
Yeah,
No.
I don't mind.
Me, an African cannot be near graves because
No?
they mean bad luck.
Alright.
Any African who loves graves, there's something wrong. Yeah, I'm telling you. In Africa, you're not supposed to be a lover of graves or snakes.
So they look very scary there. Well, there are plenty snakes there.
Viewer, this is the Iron Bridge, Perth Bridge we are passing. You can see, oh, look at the bridge. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. Wow, the river is noisy. Wow. Yeah, and the wind is cold.
Yeah, that's what he's doing, and then he's limping.
Yeah.
He can't do. Then he complains. I said, I don't care. He wants run, he's run. He was in the cage for whole
Oh,
year.
Why in the
Only
cage?
sometimes for walk because the guy was depressed. So
Oh,
they kept him because he was like in your house because
Ah.
no much exercise.
So when he
So
came out,
when he doesn't have
he-
exercises, yeah.
when he came out, he got excited.
Yeah.
Oh, Odin, you are excited until you're hurting your leg.
Yeah, no, okay.
Yeah, because he jumps too much. You know, he's telling you,
He's
come on,
stupid.
do it again.
I know that's what he's doing, and you can show him a ball. It's like he's working though.
I
When
didn't
he
know.
doesn't, oh, he's thirsty or too hot, so they
So-
release.
So he just
when-
knows this water can cool me.
Yeah.
Why?
I can't have him in the
Now look how the river is flowing here. Look how it joins. And that is another neighborhood there. That is the river there. This is the park. You can see. Mm. It's quite warm today. Oh, what a beautiful afternoon. Oh, this is Stars of Viewer. We're enjoying the sun.
He will keep himself. Why people take this?
Hello viewer. This is another bridge. We came from the other nice looking bridge. Now we are crossing this one. We are crossing River Tazo again. And another one is down there for the cars. Oh, today it's lovely. It's not cold.
Four bridges.
Here the river is so wide. So wide.
Oh, it's getting wider. Yeah.
Mm. No, I don't want to pick grass. They cut grass. Hello viewer. This is now the bridge where the cars pass. Yeah, you can see there. You can see where the bridge. Yeah. Oh, today I've really walked. I have walked. Okay, now this is part of our town. It starts here. Yeah, this is another church there, and there's another church there. You know, the town is so small, but we have like 6 churches within the town. Yeah. Now that's my friend there. Let me go to the car. Okay, viewer, come with me. That is our town. Have you ever gone with this dog in the restaurant?
No, not yet, no.
You don't know how it will behave?
No, it's just...
Oh, that was a lovely walk. A lovely walk. Yeah, we are waiting for Anastasia. She's just gone to the supermarket. We are the littles to buy me some strawberries. Yeah. Odin, look here. Odin, look at my camera here. You're worried. Anastasia is coming. Anastasia is coming. No. It's coming. She's coming. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, sit. Yeah, viewer, this was my afternoon with Odin and Anastasia. I hope you enjoyed my stroll along the River Thurso. Yeah, and viewer, if you like my video, please don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for the coming back subscribers. Love you so much. Till then, bye bye.